Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the ScareCorp channel. Today we'll be doing the unboxing of the 42-inch Cub Cadet Bagger. Let's take a look. Let's take a look inside. Alright, so taking a look at the installation manual. All the parts. Okay, so we got the upper chute tube. Yeah, looks like that. Looks pretty cool. And then we've got the discharge chute. The window. Nice Cub Cadet logo on it. Okay. Then we've got the upper chute support. Some nice venting here. And then we got some warnings here. Basically tells you to read the manual. Then we got the left grass catcher cover. Alright. Oh, and then we got this stuff here. I guess those are the double bag support assembly, the grass bag assembly times 2. That rod there is the hinge cover pin. Okay. What do we got in this guy here? Oh, that's heavy. Hardware pack. Okay. This looks like it'll take me a little while to put together. So a few steps here. Kind of the outside of the scope of this video, putting this thing together. Just wanted to show you what's all in this thing. Let's maybe take the bagger apart. There's the bag here. Okay, so this is about 30 inches maybe high. Plastic. It's got a plastic bottom to it. Pretty rugged material. It's like double stitched. Some nice stitching on the inside. Okay, so we got 2 of those. There's the other one. Got a warning on it. Okay. Alright. Alright, I'm going to put this thing together and show you what that looks like. See you in a bit. Alright. About 30 minutes later, we got this thing on. Looks pretty badass. Looks super cool. It was actually not bad at all. I think there are in total 3 bolts and nuts with a 9/16 wrench, and then 3 wing nuts to put it all together. Get these little, one clip here, another clip there. Lifts up, big, looks like a 10-inch, 8 or 10-inch hole there, and then pretty decent baskets. Just take them out like so. Hey kitty. And to detach all of this, it's just a quick detach here. You just pull this out. It comes off, and there's 2 of those, one on each side. So that would drop this whole assembly down. And then on this side, there's one of those wing nuts, and then it locks into your wheel there. So that's pretty much that. Simple job. This thing's made pretty nice. Fits pretty slick. Get this window here. So this latches here. And here. Like that. You get this window here to view. See how she looks driving around. Yeah, this one's pretty much half full. Look what it did here, one pass.
It's a good lawnmower.
Yeah. One pass, look how clean it is. This bag is all dirty now. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Very much appreciate that, helps the channel. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to the channel, you'll get them as soon as they come out. Well guys, that is it for my time, and as always, I thank you for yours. See you in my next video. Bye.